Welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix you were signed out of your Google account, sign in again to continue. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error while logging to your Gmail or logging to your Play Store, and the error you see on your screen is you were signed out of your Google account, sign in again to continue. If you are seeing this issue or if you are seeing this problem, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, just tap on the settings, scroll down a little bit. You can see here apps, just click on the apps, or you will find manage app. You can click on manage app. After that, in this app list, you need to find Google Play Store. You can see here Google Play Store, just tap on that. Once you need to tap on the force stop, tap on OK. After that, you can see here storage and cache, just tap on the storage and cache. Once tap on the clear cache, after that you need to tap on the clear storage. Just tap on OK, then go back and try to log in again. While trying to log in, you have to make sure that you had a proper internet connection. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Google Play Store error you were signed out of your Google account, sign in again to continue. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.